In this video, you'll learn how to search hotels by price range on Agoda if you're trying to stick to a budget or just want to avoid scrolling through hundreds of options that are too expensive or too basic. Using the price filter can save you a lot of time. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along even if you're new to using Agoda. Let's start from the beginning. First, open Agoda in your web browser or launch the Agoda app on your phone or tablet. On the homepage, you'll see a search bar where you can enter your destination. Type in the city, area, or landmark where you want to stay. For example, you might enter a city name, a beach destination, or even a popular neighborhood if you already know where you'd like to be. Next, choose your check-in and check-out dates and select how many guests and rooms you need. Getting these details right matters because prices can change depending on your dates and how many people are staying. Once that's set, go ahead and tap or click the search button. Agoda will now show you a list of available properties that match your destination and dates. After your search results load, it's time to narrow things down. Look for the filters section on the results page. On desktop, this is usually on the left-hand side of the screen. On mobile, you'll typically see a filters button or icon near the top or bottom of the screen above the listings. Tap or click filters to open up all the options you can use to refine your search. Inside the filters menu, you'll see several ways to narrow your results, such as star rating, property type, and guest rating. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the price, so scroll until you find the option labeled Price Range. It might appear as a slider with a minimum and maximum value, or as boxes where you can set the lowest and highest price you're comfortable with. Now, adjust the minimum and maximum price to match your budget. If you see a slider, drag the left handle to set your minimum price and the right handle to set your maximum price. If you prefer to type the values, enter the lowest amount you want to pay per night and the highest amount you're willing to spend. Take a moment to think about your total budget and how many nights you're staying so your nightly price range makes sense. Once you're happy with your price range, apply the filter. On most versions of Agoda, there will be an Apply, Show Results, or Done button at the bottom or top of the filters screen. Tap or click that, and Agoda will refresh the list of hotels to only show properties that fall within your chosen price range. From here, you can scroll through the filtered results and compare options that fit your budget much more easily. If you're not seeing what you want, you can always go back into filters, adjust the price range, and apply it again. That's all there is to it. By setting a clear price range, you make sure the hotels you're looking at are realistically within your budget, which makes planning your trip faster and less stressful.